Picture this. You're the CFO of a thriving organization, struggling with the delicate balance of financial stability and growth. Suddenly, the unthinkable happens. Your systems get ransomed. Everything grinds to a halt. Your team is stranded. You can't take orders, you can't pay bills, you can't even send emails. In moments like this, the reliability of your IT service provider isn't just a convenience, it's a necessity. So how do you choose the right IT service provider to keep your organization running seamlessly and securely? Let's break it down. Whether you're evaluating your current provider or considering outsourcing IT support for the first time, there are a few key questions you absolutely need answered. Let's start with the biggest one, response time. According to a recent survey of over 500 organizations, response time is the #1 concern for companies using managed IT service providers or MSPs. Now imagine, your internet's down, your email's been compromised, or worse, you're facing a ransom attack. In those moments, speed matters. So before you sign any agreement, ask yourself, how does this provider handle emergencies? Can they guarantee rapid response times? And just as important, what do their clients say about how they've handled real incidents in the past? Trust your instincts and verify their claims with first-hand testimonials. But don't stop there. Ask this critical question. How do they define response time? Here's the truth. There's a big difference between response time and resolution. Response time might mean how long it takes for them to acknowledge your issue, but how long does it actually take to fix the problem? Now, no one can guarantee a resolution time. It depends on the issue. But what you can evaluate is their communication practices, how they prioritize issues, and what problems they typically resolve quickly. In other words, make sure you know what response time really means before you find yourself in a crisis mode. An automated email isn't a solution, you know that. Next, reliability. Think about how you analyze financial forecasts. Now, apply that same level of scrutiny to your IT provider. What's their track record? Do they solve problems on the first try? Do they understand not just your technology, but how your business actually operates? They should know what your mission-critical applications are, what could bring your business to a halt, and how they escalate urgent issues when they count. There's a smart question to ask. How do they handle recurring issues? If a problem keeps coming back, it's not solved. You want a provider who identifies root causes and prevents future disruptions. Now, let's talk cost. Yes, it matters, but cost without quality, that's just expensive downtime waiting to happen. Instead, focus on value. Look for providers that offer flexible solutions that can grow with your business, not just cookie cutter packages. And don't forget about cybersecurity. In today's world, a data breach isn't just an inconvenience. It can devastate your business financially and reputationally. Ask, how do they protect their systems and yours? Do they have the right certifications? Do they educate your team to prevent mistakes before they happen? Because your provider's competence directly affects your financial stability. And here's one last but vital consideration. Do they understand you? Every organization is unique, your systems, your people, your goals. If your provider treats you just like another account, chances are they won't be ready when it really counts. Have conversations that reveal their depth, not just in technology, but in your industry. At the end of the day, choosing the right IT service provider isn't just about checking boxes. It's about building a partnership, one built on trust, on reliability, and a shared commitment to your long-term success. So think beyond today and ask yourself, which partner will be ready for the challenges of tomorrow? Evaluate carefully, ask the tough questions, and make sure their priorities match yours. Because when technology and business strategy align, that's when growth becomes unstoppable. Choose boldly, plan confidently, and build the future your business deserves.